We're here to share with you a revolutionary way of business marketing using the internet to give any small or large business in the United States maximum exposure in a matter of hours. We are utilizing the exploding phenomenon of massive video searches over the internet. It seems that people would rather view a video of a product or service than simply read about it on a boring web page.
So if you actually come in and take a look, compare our prices to any other shower head on the market, we're definitely going to come out best on top.
5.4 billion videos were viewed on YouTube alone by more than 100 million users in October 2008. And in less than a year, that number skyrocketed to 21 billion viewers. We created a vehicle which combines both a web page and an interactive multimedia presentation.
ABE Plumbing installs air conditioning systems as well as services and repairs them. Whether you need a recharge, fan replacement, or a new compressor, ABE will find the solution to making sure that your home stays cool and comfortable during the hot summer months.
Better Business Directory and Community believes that the power of a group is greater under any circumstances than the power of an individual. This is why we created a rapidly growing community. For example, when a visitor comes in looking for a product or service through our different channels, video sharing sites like YouTube and Google Video, and most importantly, our business community website, they will not only find what they are looking for, but also run into all the other great businesses in their city or surrounding areas. We rotate video slideshows in each city, showing the various businesses in that area. In addition, we feature a stationary video of a guest business from a nearby city, which changes on a regular basis. No matter what page a viewer visits, there will automatically be cross-promotions and cross-advertisements between the members in our community at the customer's fingertips. These are just a few examples of a multitude of ways that we are implementing to better the success of our members.